ghost surgery. So today we are treating a ghost type of woman. Actually, she is a ghost, but we have to treat her. So we have vaccinated her. Now we have to remove her hairs. She is looking so ugly. Now we are removing the bone just stuck in the nose. Yeah. Now we are applying the stitches. Yes. Successfully applied the stitches. Now we are putting the ointments. So we are applying the spirits. She has experienced an accident. So we have to treat her carefully. Now we have to make a remedy for these wounds. Now we have to put a skin enhancer remedy. So to early recover for early recovery of her wounds. Now we are putting the glycerin. Now we are mixing. Now we are applying this remedy to the whole face along with head. Yes. Now we are smoothing this remedy. So to treat every single part. No part should be left untreated. Now you have to remove the remedy mask which we have applied, and you are seeing that the wound has been disappeared. So the treatment is completed. Now we have to do a little bit of makeup after that. So we are giving a drop of blood because she lost most of her bloods. Yes. Now we are clothing her. This is a time to grow the hair. Now we are doing a lipstick. Yes, she looks like a bride. Now we are giving her a necklace. Yes. This is the time for eyelashes. This is a makeup time. Yes.